What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. So, I wanted to make a quick video to go over a few things as far as eOscar, ACDV, Metro 2, what a CRA is, what a furnisher is. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail just because, as you all know, I kind of like to keep my videos short and sweet. So basically what I'm going to do is, I'm not sure how well y'all can see what's on my board here. So what I'm going to do is just going to read it off for you. But again, this is something that I get asked several times a week to do a video on. Obviously, I'm a very, very busy man, but again, I'm going to always try to do, as much as I can as far as, getting y'all the content you want. So the first one, I don't know if y'all can see the number one in that first top left square. Define the terms and players. CRA. The CRA is a consumer reporting agency like Equifax, Experian, Innovis, and TransUnion. A furnisher. The data furnisher is the company furnishing information about consumers to the CRA, which is the credit reporting agency. CDIA, Consumer Data Industry Association. This group creates, maintains the Metro 2 format. eOscar, online solution for complete and accurate reporting. This is the delivery vehicle or communication system between CRAs and furnishers. ACDV, Automated Consumer Dispute Verification. This is the information provided from the CRA to the furnisher through the eOscar system, Metro 2. This is the standardized reporting format from CDIA that furnishers then furnish to CRAs, credit reporting agencies. All right. Right below one, you'll see, I hope y'all can see the two in the bottom left square. What does the FCRA require a CRA and furnisher to do when receiving a consumer dispute through CRA? Now, what that means is once the furnisher sends the information to the CRA, all right, we'll ignore direct disputes to furnishers as under the FCRA. There is no ability to sue when furnishers violate the law. You send a dispute to a CRA, credit reporting agency. This is section 1681I. If the CRAs are negligent, they can be sued. If the furnishers are negligent, they can be sued. CRA must respond within 30 days, sometimes 45 days. This is why I was telling y'all the other day in my video, 45 days is the best to get the best maximum results. CRA must notify the furnisher within 5 business days of the dispute. Now, what that means is when you send a letter to TransUnion, Equifax, or Experian, they have 5 business days to notify them of that dispute, which obviously will be sent through eOscar. Furnisher must investigate based on information received from the CRA, from the consumer, and that is in the possession of the furnisher. CRA must also investigate and normally cannot just parrot back what the furnisher says. Both must update, correct, or delete false or incomplete information. All right, now we're in the top right square. I don't know if y'all can see that number 3 in blue. How does this work in the real world of ACDVs, eOscars, and Metro 2? Real world according to the industry. CRA receives dispute from consumer. An ACDV is created by the CRA, which will summarize the dispute and assign a code from about 26 choices offered by eOscar. The ACDV is communicated to the furnisher through eOscar. The furnisher is to respond to CRA through eOscar with verify as accurate, modify account as indicated, delete the account due to fraud. The actual real world. Very limited human involvement at the CRA level, vast majority foreign-based contractors, very limited, if any, humans involvement at furnisher level. Long letters, lots of documentation, detailed explanations are rarely read as this is a heavy quota-based industry. Lots of mistakes are made and the CRAs and furnishers try to avoid having to answer disputes because it makes them no money. And the last one, bottom right corner, I don't know if you can see the number 4. I really hope you can see this, but if not, just listen to everything I'm saying. This is the whole point in me reading everything for you. What can you do when your rights are violated? Sue the CRA under Section 1681I for a negligent wanton investigation. Sue the CRA under Section 1681E(b) for failure to keep and follow reasonable procedures to assure maximum possible accuracy. Sue the furnisher under 1681S(b) for a negligent / wanton investigation. Actual compensatory damages, economic and emotional. Attorney fees and costs paid if wanton, reckless, willful. Statutory damages of up to $1,000. Punitive damages to punish and deter. Now again, I didn't want to go over each individual thing one at a time. If I did, this video would probably be an hour long. I like to be short, sweet, get to the point. I hope you enjoy this video. This is something I work really hard on, and I'm actually already in the process of working on another video like this. So if y'all like these kind of videos, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do more research. I'll share more of my knowledge with you. A lot of people think that I don't know nothing about all this stuff, but here's the proof right here. That's one of the main reasons why I wanted to make this video. But if you do have any questions about the CRA, the furniture, CDI, EOSCAR, ACDV, Metro 2, please feel free to reach out to me. You can send me a text message. You can send me an email. I'll leave all that information in the description of the video. I'm going to do my best to get this video out tonight. It is Saturday, about 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Although it does take a while for the HD version to process, I'm going to do my best to have this video out somewhere around 8 to 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. That's really all I got for now. I hope y'all have a great weekend.